A reference image sets the editing style, playful typography, doodles, and social media overlays. The concept is an authentic, energetic influencer-style unboxing. Inspired by YouTube Shorts and TikTok, the product stays the visual hero the whole time.
Creating a professional explainer video from a document can usually take a lot of time, especially when you need motion graphics and animations. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn a text file to an explainer video with Fotor Video Agent.
First, enter the main page of Fotor Video Agent. Click the plus key in the text box at the lower right corner to upload the document for which you need to explain. Then, enter a prompt word to make it clear what kind of video you want to make. You can see that this prompt word of mine is very simple, only stating my main requirements. After clicking Send, Fotor Video Agent will respond promptly. Just like your assistant editor, it will ask for your opinions and keep improving. Now it has generated a voiceover script. You can browse the narration. If there are no errors, just click Confirm. Next, it will respond and give you the choice of voice color. You can click to listen.
Welcome to Vibe Video. Tell us your idea in your own words, and AI will create your video. Keep chatting to refine it.
Select a sound color you like. Click on it. And the video agent will use this sound color to create the narration part. Next, it will provide you with a complete video script. You can roughly browse through it. If there are no errors, you can click Confirm. The video agent is responding rapidly. You can see that all the materials have been automatically arranged in the timeline. You can view them by dragging the timeline. If you are not satisfied with a certain material, you can directly click on it and drag it on the screen. You can also adjust it by clicking the parameter function in the upper right corner, such as for the title and subtitle, background frame, sticker fill, and primary color. If you complete each step like this, you will get a complete explanatory video.
This prompt creates a 15-second UGC unboxing video for the Fotor stainless steel tumbler. It is built for e-commerce product marketing and social media promotion.
As you can see, creating a motion graphic explainer video doesn't have to start from scratch. With Fotor Video Agent, you can turn existing documents into engaging explainer videos much faster.